Introduction to Cable Management. Let's have a look at the most common products in each sector. Consumer electronics and appliances. Cabling solutions are needed for easy and efficient production. Examples include quick-fit grommets, snaps into place, stands up to diverse temperature ranges. Cable clamps, bundles and secures wires appropriately. Data cabinets. Organize cables and make them easy to access while preventing accidents and data loss. Examples include cable bushings. Push-in design allows bushing to be assembled into holes that already contain a bundle. Cable clamps. Provide strain relief, protection of wires or cables, and their applications. Outdoor enclosures. Weatherproof solutions with guaranteed ingress protection protect cables and prevent costly repairs. Solutions include nylon cable glands. Secures cables to equipment and keeps them tidy. Cable clamps. Collate cables to keep them neat and secure. Automotive. For keeping automotive electrical wires bundled and protected, use grommets. Easy to install protection from the sharp edges of unfinished sheet metal while protecting against hot components.